Well, boys, I am rocking the street kit S1K tonight. Been a while since I've hopped on an S1K, but this could be a good night, especially when we're ripping the streets of Arizona. Dude, this is beautiful out here. Seldom do I get to travel, but whenever I do. So I should probably say this BMW, that speedometer reads very high. That speedometer is not correct at all. I'm actually going probably like 35 right now. Also, about this BMW S1K, you know, S1Ks are usually known for their tech. No technology, no traction control, no ABS, nothing. This is a 1000cc liter bike with 200 horsepower and no technology. This is awesome. This is great for a little learner guy like me. Yeah, bros, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't really know how to film tonight. I don't really know how to ride this bike without really at least having the appearance of breaking road laws, mainly because of that off speedometer. Anyway, we got dinner at Texas Roadhouse, and we had this really funny clip where we were making fun of Adobo Moto because he didn't come to our track day. Especially considering the fact that he made fun of our track day and then posted a video of him doing 180 miles an hour in the street, which was really stupid, as I shift in the second gear on this MotoGP shift bike. That was just the dumbest thing in the world. I get it, bro. I'm not saying you can't have fun on your bikes on the street. That's not what anybody is saying. But like promoting that stuff and making it seem really cool and dandy, I don't agree with that. That's not what I'm trying to make this page about. And so we filmed this little clip where we were like making fun of Adobo Moto. Anyway. Oh my god, the flames on this thing are nuts. So right here this is like a 2006, I believe, Honda CBR 1000. This is what we were riding on the track in the last video. This is Jigsaw Bros, of course, BMW S1000RR. This is what I'm going to be ripping out tonight. Shit, a little collabed, but it's alright. Grateful to be having it. And of course, this is, I think, a 2008, 2003 or something, R6. We'll probably be ripping on this tomorrow at the track, but it's just really cool to see this as well on the street. Gotta wake up this neighborhood real quick. 936 for premium. That's not bad. Excuse me. My boy's out here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're turning right and then getting on the highway, so prepare your booties. Your lens thing flew off. So you're just rocking it raw? I guess that's how, I guess if you prefer it like that, bro. I'm not that risky, you know? Things can happen when you run it raw. You guys ready? Alright, prepare your booty cheeks. Let's go. Oh, you guys went the wrong way. You guys all the way over there. I'm gonna get run over now. I gotta hide. I'm gonna backed up into by this car. I think we figured out where we were supposed to go. There's a little car wash over here. I think it's all unsuspecting. Nothing going on here. And then, wha-bam! Big old bike meet happening over here. She's running. She's a track star. Here we go. We're gonna park right in here. Dude, look at this old bike meet. This rivals some of the stuff we got back home.
I wonder how many brothers per gallon he gets on that thing right there, brother. How many brothers per gallon you get?
Is that the same guy who yelled at you? Should ask him if he's having a good night.
Look at his gay ass helmet with the fucking anime on it. Just tell me you don't get bitches.
What are you talking about? He's got the tie-dye, you got the animated little shirt. He's at least 5'3".
See, you're just struggling with that camera, so I'm hesitant to.
I'm a little scared it's gonna fly off. All right, we can't monetize this. It's not.
Don't record it, brother. Think I'm demonetized, but you gotta like ease into it. There's a sweet spot where it'll just roll fire.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Look. It's so nasty. I'll do that in the wheelie. I'll put the bike in neutral and then I'll rev it to that.
Oh, you want me to do that?
What?
Want me to do that?
No, you better not.
I want to do that so bad.
The Brazilian guys do it all the time. I was telling you how to pop. Don't be gushing my goddamn fork seal, brother. It's already gushing. Hopefully they don't glaze my fucking pads before we go home.
Oh yeah, wait, you got new pads.
Yeah, well, and it's blown on that right side, but I've got that paper towel there, so I'm hoping it'll be enough for tonight, you know, and then I'll change it tomorrow.
Wait, I'm riding the bike with a paper towel on it?
Yes, sir. It's wrapped around the fork. Brother, where'd all these brothers come from, brother?
They're gonna tell you to stop doing it on the road. Oh, no, there's no. I thought you were talking about the Harley guys.
That's like some normal brothers right here, brother.
Ice cream.
I see ice cream for ice cream.
Where'd you go?
I'm wheeling. I'm taking these turns, boy. I can take all the turns and sit down. It's just that knee arc I keep doing for some reason.
Does this have a pit lane limiter?
Huh?
Does this have a pit lane limiter?
A what?
A pit lane limiter.
I mean, that's what that AK thing is, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright, hold up. What the What up, Matthew? Is that camera going? Everything going?
Everything's going.
Gonna be some college girls. I'm gonna circle wheelie around them. They're gonna go, ah! I'm wet! Ain't no girl ever said that, just so we're clear. If anything, they'd just be mad.
He's like, don't hit me.
Keep your eyes on a swivel.
For what?
The cop.
Keep your eyes on his swivel, he says, as he does a giant wheelie. You don't want to break any laws now.
I don't want to break any laws here. What? A bicycle cop? Oh yeah, don't worry about it. I'd love to see him mess with me.
He's telling you the bicycle cop. Oh, he's coming at you. He looks so bad.
Paddle, paddle!
Your guys' friend comes down here again, he's going to jail, okay?
Are they pedaling after me?
He's trying to fist bump him. He said no.
No. Are they pedaling?
No, they're not pedaling.
He really thought he's being discreet. The little.
What did he say?
He said if your friend comes down here again, he's getting arrested.
Oh, yeah. He said you're getting arrested next time.
Oh no! No! I don't want to go to jail.
Don't do it again, man.
Just the thought of it got me scared. Oh, he's gone! Look at him go! Oh, he wobbled! Oh, did you see that? That was
did.
insane!
It was
He's
right
fast
down the
as
truck
fuck.
track.
I gotta roll a stompy up next to him. He's a killer. That dude's a killer. Hold on, everybody stand back. He's about to boost launch out of here. Look at this. Hey, watch this. I'm gonna jump the spreader. You ready?
Get him.
Spreader. Dude, this guy's a monster. With his flip-flops, brother. Boosting every launch. Woo! They got him go! Oh, there they are. They're here to load us up in the trailer with the horses.
They're gonna chase you down the
Backup is
trailer.
coming. Backup is coming. They got the horses out. They got the bicycles. I'm real scared now. They'll chase me everywhere. Let's shift right.
Oh, coming over.
Everybody's going straight. I think it'd be better to go straight. So funny, bro. Trying to sneak up on me. His look in his eyes when he realized I wasn't an idiot was so priceless. He's like, wait a minute. He's driving through the traffic. He's driving through the people. Does he know I'm coming? What? All right, let's go right. We got to change the direction we're going in case they're...
we got cut off.
Just cut them out. You cut them off.
Oh, we got like 15 million people behind me. I can't just do that.
Yeah, true.
Someone's gonna die. Someone's gonna be stupid, and we'll just split up to you when we can.
I need to point out these police helicopters to you whenever I see them.
They just have them out?
Yeah, so like that might be one right there. You gotta look for the flashing lights that aren't moving. That's how you know it's the police helicopter. They'll hover out here, bro. They just sit and hover, wasting fuel until they see someone speeding or doing illegal shit. Then they do shit. Yeah, that's actually one. Yeah, he's not moving. Look at him.
What?
He's there. Do you see him right there? He's not moving. You can see through the cloud. If you look hard, you can see through the cloud. He's just sitting there. He's going to be watching the highway, so you kind of got to think what highway he's looking at. He's looking at 10. I mean, not 10, 101. You know, he's sitting there watching it, seeing if anybody's flying down it, and then he'll go up behind him. Like, apparently people get arrested every weekend because they just literally waste all that fuel until they catch somebody.
That's so crazy. I can't imagine living out here.
It's obsessive, bro. It's weird. Like, there's such a thing as, like, you know, too much policing. There just is.
Oh no, 100%. I agree with you.
Like,
Look at this. What the f is this thing?
what? Yeah, it's right there. He's just watching. He's watching the 101. You can see he's pointed this way. Yeah.
I think we all
Keep
did.
it to yourself, brother. Yeah. If you look back, Matthew, he's still sitting there.
No, yeah, I saw him.
He'll just sit there and hover, bro. It's crazy. Like, dude, I want to look up the budget. I wonder how much money they spend on fuel in these helicopters just sitting out on the highway every weekend. They'll justify it, say that we got so many arrests and shit, but, you know, just like you know that I know, they arrested somebody that just did 100 down the highway one day, you know, and then went home. And they arrested that guy. Oh, you really got a bad guy.
They arrest him for only doing 100?
Well, you know what I mean. Like, they just wait for somebody to speed, and they follow that guy unsuspectingly, and the cops show up, pull up behind him and arrest him. They'll arrest him for that.
Wow.
That's what I'm saying. Like, it's a little excessive.
That's like a normal weekend.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, most police departments and stuff are kind of reasonable with policing, right? Because you gotta expect people to spend money on these crotch rockets or nice cars and rip them every now and then. So, like, you gotta cut people slack because, I mean, that's what they got it for. As long as they didn't do anything too crazy, you know?
Yeah, like fleeing and looting and, you know, cut their cars and,
Yeah.
you know, stuff that, yeah, only evil people do that. You wouldn't want to get caught doing that.
Yeah.
Only the worst.
Only the worst. The worst of the worst. Get some good content, brother. I'm telling you all kinds of good stuff.
No, it's good to document this. My video was kind of boring tonight before you came out. Now it's all f***ing exciting.
Cause I be doing I make things happen. That's what wild writing gets you. It gets you reactions. and problems, and you know that builds drama. That makes stuff good. See this gas station right here? I don't really know where we're going. I'm just kind of wandering around. I know Phoenix is this way. As I was ripping, I'd like watch the skies to make sure I wasn't coming up to one of the copters. And a couple times with the H2s, we came up to them. So we just like rode normal until we got really far from them and then ripped. But it's annoying.
Yeah, you gotta control yourself for a little bit.
There's like nobody on the highway, you know, it's late night.
I thought it was still sitting there. It's still up in the sky right there.
No, that's plane up there. Oh, wait.
No, that's definitely a copter, bro.
No, that's a plane. Copters have one light, or normally have dual lights. So you'll see that plane up there? Plane. Now that dude right there, single bright light beeping, and then clear light beeping, possibly helicopter, maybe a cop. That single light that's just on out there, maybe a cop.
I love taking my eyes off the road frequently. It's awesome.
Bro, that's how you stay alive. You got to be able to observe everything. And your bike, you got to be able to just ride straight without looking. How do you think I got this far?
Well, I mean, riding straight without looking's fine, but then you got cars pulling out in front of you, you got people across the road.
A double axle J-Wagon!
You know how many times I've hit things in the road just randomly while I'm paying attention?
Yeah, you don't have the best eyesight, huh?
I do. The hair gets in the eyes. Eyeliner keeps distracting me.
When you hit it, stay in it to find it. So like, just lay into it till you find it. I think we found the limiter.
Well, we got the BMW home safe to the Airbnb, boys. What a fun, awesome night, man. I'm so tired, though. It is past midnight, which means that back where I live right now, it's like 2, 3 a.m. I don't really know the time zone. All I know is I'm a little sleepy. Hope you guys appreciated the video, and stick around if you want to see more like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.